Wakey, wakey. Wake up, Julie. You've grown complacent, Julie. You've lost your passion for the things that used to matter to you. Careful. They're sharp. You are here to learn a lesson. To be reminded of the importance of serving others. You will learn this lesson, Julie, or you will die. 3 deadly blades are suspended from your headpiece. The pneumatic arms operate with surgical precision at my command. If you do not follow my instructions to the letter, you will be butchered alive. You will watch yourself die as painfully as I choose. I am your master now. Do I make myself clear? Good. Now find the pile of diapers near your chair. Pick them up and place them in the diaper bin, because that's where diapers go. At the bottom of the pile you will find a key. Use it to let yourself into the house. Once inside, find the utility closet in the hallway. There you will find state-of-the-art tools necessary to complete the remaining tasks. Grab the blue dusting mitt out of the closet and use it to clean the mantle. Next, take the Enviro wand and the telescopic handle and use them to rid the house of cobwebs. The silver-infused cloths can be used with hot water to destroy bacteria. Then take the sweeping mopping system and use it on the floors. Once you're done with the toilets, you can start polishing the mirrors using the Norwex polishing cloth. When you're finished with the attic, head downstairs and grab the Norwex cleaning After sanitizing the garbage disposal, place the air filters upstairs and downstairs. Now that you've refinished the bathtubs, grab the car cloth and head outside. Keep moving. Get back to work. I will cut you, Muffin. Turn that contraption back on. I have not released you. You're trying my patience. You haven't finished building your character. Look, just flip the switch back on.
Come on, Bo, do your thing.
Move it along, Posey. The shower's not gonna regrout itself.
Hey, Posey, did Halloween come early this year?
Shut up, Elkin.